Yeah, ready whenever you are, mate. Commence. So this is Combi-Camp Venezia that we've got for sale, and we've got the glamorous Morgan setting it up. He's the best looking one, believe it or not. He's the most camera ready out of all of our staff. So it's a nice and easy opening system. So the hardtop comes all the way over, becomes a nice solid floor for you. And you head inside. Yep. You got one or two things just to attach to the trailer, just to get it to look finished and get a bit of tension into it. And then that is how simple the cabin goes up. A nice, easy to open kitchen. Shelf on top for extra storage. Drop down tailgate so you can access everything. Built-in fridge, plenty of drawers, fitted sink, hob, all nice and simple. So we'll have all the pictures and all the details on the website, and then we'll have a 360 picture as well. If you need any more information on it, feel free to send us an email or give us a ring. Alright.